Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today I'm going to share vertical shake plus zoom with y'all. This is how it's gonna look like. So let's start without any more further waste of time. First of all, get your clips ready. Move to the first clip. Now go to Effects, click on Video Effects. Then go to Opening and Closing and select Oblique Blur. Make the effect as short as possible. Now click on Adjust and set its blur 50 and rotate 100. Then copy the effect and drag it to the start of next clip. And continue the process till last clip. Now again copy the effect of each clip twice. Click on the first clip, go to Animation and select Rock vertically. Set its duration 0.2 seconds. Now apply this animation to the rest of the clips as well. Now click on first clip and again go to Animation. Then select Fade Out. Set its duration 0.1 seconds. Apply to the rest of the clips as well. Look, this is how it will look like. Now move to the first clip and add a keyframe at start and other at end. Now zoom at end keyframe and tilt your clip to -10. Bring your pointer line to the center of both keyframes. And go to Graphics, then select Ease Out 3. Now repeat the process for other clips as well. And with that, we're finally done. Now you can save the video to storage. Result. Hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more useful content. Thank y'all.